Beautiful day up here in the Midwest. About 50 degrees. Sun shining and everything.
What's going on, six speeders? Very, very beautiful day up here in the Midwest. Sunny as can be. It's a little bit chilly, but luckily there's no wind to pick it up and everything. So I finally did something awesome to the FRS. Like you guys saw, I got the taillights in and I finally put them on. So here's what it looks like.
Not so bad if I don't say so myself. They're Spec D, so they are slightly smoked, but they're not so bad where you could barely even see them. And everything. The people that helped me put them on decided to write something fun on my car. Those guys like to put on "Wash Me" just for fun.
So they are Spec D, like I said in the video. If you have not checked out that video, I'll leave that link down below on me unboxing them and everything. Spec D, I only paid about $170 for them, so I wasn't paying that much. I was wrong. I thought that they were tinted. I was wrong. They are smoked lens, but not very, very dark. So if you guys remember me unboxing them, they are Spec D. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave that down a link below. They're Spec D taillights. Sadly, they don't have the sequential lighting for turn signals, but it is what it is for 170 bucks. And they're very, very lightly smoked, and I'm happy with them because they're not too dark. They're just right. And honestly, they just give the car a different look, you know, in its own way. It helps it stand out with the car.
So I will be showing you guys what it does look like with the running lights, brake lights, and everything, but just up close, they're not that bad. A little bit of chrome interior with, if you guys can see closely, you know that the sun is out. It has a smoked lens, so nothing too bad at all. And here's the other one.
Huge shout out to all my buddies that helped me out with this, putting on the back taillights and everything. Without their help, it probably would have taken me a little bit longer. We were all done within about 30 minutes, and it was a simple, you know, taking off the accessory and hooking it back up to all OEM. So it was a direct transfer to the OEM lights and everything like that. Also, they left me a little fun message whenever they got done putting it on.
I was not looking. I drove the car home and I realized this. They had a little bit of fun telling me that I need to go home and wash my car as soon as possible, which does remind me I gotta do that. So my favorite thing about the taillights is how it blends in with the louvers. It just looks mean all the way around. It's not too dark of taillights, but they're not too light. They're just right. Honestly, the car is looking meaner every single day. One thing that I hope to do with these lights on the bottom near my exhaust would be to definitely try to find a smoked lens for my backup lights and everything, because honestly that would just look mean with the all black on the bottom. And will make the car look very, very clean. Also, after doing the taillights, and hopefully that maybe I can put the side markers to a dark tone look too. Will also blend in beautifully with the rims. So here's what it looks like with the daytime running lights. So here's what it looks like with the regular lights. Here's what it looks like with the hazards. And there's my third brake light, and there's all my brake lights. There's what it looks like with the left turn signal. And then there's the right turn signal.
So that's what it looks like with the awesome tail lights and everything. I hopped inside because it's a little bit too cold out there, but I'm very, very happy with how the car is looking, how it sounds and everything. I have a lot more planned for it. I'm hoping to put on a front lip, side skirts, and awesome rear diffusers here soon. And I'm hoping for this summer I can hopefully buy the open flash tablet, which is famous for the FRSs and the BRZs and the Toyota GT86, to start messing around with stuff like that, because I already have the headers and the exhaust, so hopefully we'll be making it sound a little bit better and start getting some awesome power out of that car. So that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't. Press that like, leave a comment, and don't forget to come email me at 6speeders@2019@gmail.com, and to come follow me on Instagram at SmithEM2000. Everything is down the link below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all later in the next video.